Go into effect in Louisiana in 2024, and one of those laws could have a big impact on minors in the LGBTQ community.
Parker Boyd explains what this law means.
Louisiana's LGBTQ community bracing for some changes ahead of a new year. The state legislature passed a bill earlier this year banning procedures to change the gender of a transgender child under the age of 18.
It's absolutely an injustice.
This legislation takes effect on New Year's Day, and Forum for Equality Executive Director Sarah Jane Guidry says parents have the right to help children decide their identity, not the government.
They are the ones that know what their children need and the health care that should be provided to them.
Guidry also says this bill leaves doctors in Louisiana uncomfortable, causing them to leave the state.
This expansive issue that we're having has reverberations across the community.
A few months ago, Louisiana Family Forum President Gene Mills told Fox 8 that the thought of minors switching genders is unconscionable.
There's no way a child can give informed consent to make a decision that's going to alter the course of the remainder of their lives.
I certainly believe the bill is going to be challenged in the courts.
Governor John Bel Edwards vetoed House Bill 648 only to be overridden by the Republican State House and Senate. Dillard University analyst Robert Collins thinks the bill could end up in Washington because district courts in other states are debating the issue.
And of course, if there is disagreement amongst the federal appellate courts, then of course the Supreme Court is usually asked to weigh in.
Gender-affirming care bans loom in more than 15 other states. Most of those states face lawsuits, with some of those bans blocked by federal judges. Guidry says this bill isn't stopping her from fighting for the medical care she says minors deserve.
We'll do everything we can to make sure that they have a future that looks like every other Louisiana child.
She says it makes her question if Louisiana is a place the LGBTQ community can call home. Guidry says her effort to fight this bill will continue through the 2024 legislative session. Meg?